If you're a professional tradesperson, you know the value of the right and best tools for your project. That's why we've made a short list of some professional-grade tools only for you. If you like the list in our video, please subscribe. Let's take off with a big, bulky tool from Milwaukee. This is the MX Fuel Core Rig Stand. This battery-powered tool is engineered for professionals who need top-tier performance on demanding jobs. It can drill up to 14-inch holes in reinforced concrete and can handle 4 10-inch holes per charge. Equipped with the pure-state brushless motor, this core rig stand delivers the power every professional needs. Plus, the RedLink Plus intelligence ensures it won't overheat or overload, protecting your investment. Its intuitive design, including an easy bit removal system and modular construction, maximizes productivity on the job site. This tool comes with 2 high-capacity batteries and a fast charger, allowing for continuous operation with minimal downtime. All in all, this big guy is built for professionals who demand reliability, efficiency, and superior performance in their work. When you have such a cutting task in hand that involves some larger materials like metal or hardwood, a cut-off saw is the only option. So instead of taking on any other standard table-style saws, you better go with the Dewalt DCS 690 cut-off saw. Despite being cordless, this tool gives you professional-grade outcome with corded-like power. It packs with a 54-volt FLEXVOLT battery that ensures high performance without the need for cords. The durable, high-power brushless motor helps it tackle the toughest applications with ease. Additionally, the rotatable guard offers 5 positions for better visibility in tight spots, and the 83mm depth of cut allows for single-pass cuts in paved stones, rebar, and concrete. Built with an all-metal drivetrain, it boasts superior durability and efficiency. Moreover, a heavy load indicator provides feedback during demanding tasks without interruptions, and the ergonomic handle with a soft grip ensures comfort during extended use. Here's another commercial-grade tool from the tool giant, the Milwaukee 20-inch plate compactor, a robust, feature-packed tool made to deal with the harsh job site and tough jobs. With its power-state brushless motor, it hits harder and travels faster, while ensuring maximum productivity without compromising performance. Forget about gas hassles, because this tool features a push-button start and requires no regular maintenance, reducing downtime and speeding up job completion. On top of that, its zero emissions create a safer work environment indoors and in trenches. The multi-direction capability and fast-slow speed control offer greater maneuverability around forms. Not just that, this compactor comes with 2 high-capacity red lithium forged batteries which provide up to 35 minutes of continuous runtime or cover 5,000 square feet per charge. Need an ultimate solution for your worksite compacting tasks? Get your Milwaukee compactor right away. Are you looking for a powerful and reliable solution for threading pipes without the hassle of cords? The Dewalt DCE 700 cordless pipe threader is a high-performance tool built for demanding professional applications. Its brushless motor delivers FLEXVOLT cordless power, ensuring long runtime and eliminating the need for power cords. Featuring the anti-rotation E-clutch system, a perform and protect feature, it enhances user control by sensing tool motion and shutting it down in bind-up situations. Capable of threading 1/2-inch to 2-inch black iron pipe, rigid conduit, and more, this tool comes with a 9.0 amp-hour oil-resistant glass-filled nylon battery housed in a latched and sealed battery box for protection against cutting oils. Additionally, the patent-pending pipe clamp with a depth gauge allows for quick setup, and the die arm enables starting threads without direct contact with the spinning die head. Hilti is a renowned brand for making tools for construction, building maintenance, and industrial projects. Now we have something cool for you, because every construction pro will love this wall saw. The Hilti DST 20CA wall saw is designed to be the ultimate solution for professionals seeking maximum productivity. With its 62-inch blade diameter and high horsepower, this saw offers versatility with integrated features like a flange bolt for standard and flush cutting, and a pull-push-cut assist mode that accelerates cutting speeds for quicker results on site. Hilti Cut Assist technology automates cutting processes from surface detection to optimizing speed, gear, and water flow, saving time and enhancing efficiency. The saw's integrated control electronics eliminate the need for an external e-box, making it compact, easy to handle, and quick to set up. Designed for wet drilling, the DST 20CA is made for professionals who demand the best for their concrete cutting tasks. You might have never thought of consolidating concrete like this easily. Meet the Hilti Nuron cordless concrete vibrator, specifically built for handling all the tough jobs like flat work, deck pours, and precast applications with ease. The NCV-10 22 combines high power from its motor and head design with the mobility of a lightweight, ergonomic backpack and long-lasting Nuron batteries, allowing you to maneuver around rebar and formwork efficiently. It offers consistent performance comparable to stationary high-frequency vibrators and includes a range of interchangeable whips to suit various concrete volumes. With no gas fumes and minimal setup time, this tool ensures safer and more productive job sites while consolidating up to 80 cubic yards of concrete on a single pair of batteries. Next up, here comes the Makita XGT Brushless half-inch mixer. A powerful tool that lets you handle all those tough, time-taking mixing jobs easily. Perfect for concrete, mortar, and other heavy-duty materials, its Makita 40-volt max XGT system ensures ample power. The mixer features a variable speed dial and trigger, enabling users to adjust mixing speeds precisely to suit different tasks. Its soft start function enhances control by reducing startup reaction, while a wide protective cover effectively prevents material splashback that could potentially damage the battery. Built for durability and comfort, this handheld mixer is an essential choice for professionals seeking efficient and reliable performance in construction and building projects. Makita introduces versatility and convenience with their 18-volt LXT heat guns, including the XGH-01 and XGH-02 as part of the expanding LXT system. These heat guns are cordless tools that professionals such as plumbers, electricians, auto mechanics, and contractors find handy. They're great for jobs ranging from wrapping vehicles and tinting windows to tougher tasks like stripping paint, thawing frozen pipes, and loosening stubborn materials. These guns provide reliable heat without needing to be plugged in, giving users freedom to move around easily. Whether applying wax, bending plastic, or handling other jobs that need controlled heat, these tools offer convenience and efficiency for various types of work. So that's all! Thanks for watching our video. We hope you enjoyed discovering some of the latest and greatest tools. If you want to stay updated on the newest releases, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. See you next time!